Good morning, everyone. Today we are on a trip to Akko, the old city that used to be a harbor and a fortress through many centuries to many nations like Egyptians, um, Mamelukes, crusaders, Arabs, and many more. And yeah, we are going to visit it. This is one of the most important places, like highlights in Israel, and it's very interesting. So if you are interested in old cities, if you are interested in history and the architecture of like the historical architecture, it is a must to visit Akko. During one day it's enough, so we're going to show it to you. The very nice city of Akko. At the moment we are visiting Citadel, which was the main place in Akko, in old Akko, and all the knights who came from Europe during crusades sometimes within their families, and the knights of the orders were living here, and from here they continued their journey to Jerusalem. Okay, I have to tell you one very personal thing. At the first moment, I didn't like Akko. I don't like it, and because it's just crazy. It's just crazy. You know, the old area that should be maintained for people to visit it, that should have this special atmosphere, is a circus. Honestly, it is a circus. There are markets where you can buy a fluffy duck to swim or whatever, and there is this funfair with crazy Arabic music that is very loud, and no, I don't like it. However, this is just the beginning. We have just seen the Citadel, and I hope that Akko will be better when we go deeper inside the old town, closer to the city. Yeah, but for now, it's not my favorite place. This is a shame, because we're walking the streets, and I love it. I love the streets. I love those buildings. I love those tunnels, those passages, the doors everywhere, the windows, and it's just lovely. But the whole atmosphere is just crap. It's a crap. It's a crap. It's a crap. Another attraction of Akko is the Templars Tunnel, which is 350 meters long, and it goes under the ground, under the city. And yeah, we're going to explore it. It's quite low. We have to bend. got to the sea, and it's nice and refreshing because between the buildings you can't feel the wind, and here it's so nice. And you can see how people have fun on the water and envy them, which is not nice. So we go now for some more exploration of Akko. One more point. We are now far away from Citadel. Well, far away. The whole city is 500 meters long, so it's quite to say that it's far away. But yeah, we are quite far away, on the other side of the city, and I have to tell that it's nicer than near the Citadel. However, the mess is everywhere. It's just messy. So yes, I don't like it at all. It's a pity because the whole city is amazing. The whole old town is amazing and very nice. The architecture, this medieval architecture of the town is just amazing. And then you see all this rubbish, and then you go out to the port and you hear this. Happening here. I don't like it, and it's too hello. I don't know what's happening here. I don't like it. It's too much. Well, it's like a huge party, you know, and well, I'm not the biggest fan of it, and moreover, personally, I hate crowds. I just don't feel myself, I just don't feel, comfortable in a crowd, in such a noise. And well, that's just the Middle East. You have to embrace it. We are now going to the last attraction that is included in our ticket, like visiting ticket. And this is going to be the treasury. Okay, my mistake. It is not exactly a treasury, but this is a museum called Treasures in the Wall. It means that this is the wall of the city wall, and the museum is inside the city walls, and it shows it's it's like walking inside the small house for dolls. And there are shops or places of work or different jobs like goldsmith, blacksmith or pharmacy or something like that, and very beautiful furnitures like those behind me. They are from Damascus, and they are made, I'm gonna show you, they are made with seashell. Here, you can see the seashell, bone and wood, and they are just beautiful. We somehow managed to survive this chaos in Akko. I decided to just have a wonderful juice, fresh squeezed juice with grapefruit and orange. Oh my God, this is nothing better. Thank you very much. There is nothing better than a fresh squeezed. Oh my God. gosh. Okay, there is nothing better than a fresh squeezed juice from grapefruit and orange with ice, and it's nice and cold, and I love it. You should have one. We are just leaving Akko right now. Thank you guys for staying with us today. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Remember to subscribe, to share this amazing video with your friends, your parents, and to the whole world. And yeah, take care. Bye!